Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to export a Confluence space. First, go ahead and log into your Confluence account. Once inside the dashboard, on the left panel, select on the space that you want to export. After that, beside the space name, click on the ellipsis or the three dots to open more options. Now, from the drop-down, go to Space Settings. Once inside the Space Settings, go to General section. Under it, you can now go ahead and select on Export Space. From here, you can choose a file format, whether PDF, CSV, XML, or HTML. Just choose one based on your need. After that, click on the Next button. Now, go and select on Export. Here, just wait for the export to be completed. This may take a couple of minutes based on the amount of your data in your space. Once the export is done, you can now go ahead and download your file. So just go ahead and click on the Here button. And there you have it. Your space is now exported. And that's just basically it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.